everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are keto, vegan, gluten and diet friendly, so let's get started. Preheat the oven to gas mark 4. Add a cup of almond flour. Then add 2 tablespoons of powdered erythritol. Add 4 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips, a quarter teaspoon of pink salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir the dry ingredients well. Then add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And finally 3 teaspoons of oat milk. Mix the ingredients together until well combined. Place the batter aside. Spray the tray with olive oil and then place the greaseproof paper. Also spray the greaseproof paper with olive oil. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop the mixture and roll into a ball. And then place the ball onto the baking tray and press in the middle so that the shape is even. Do the same with the remaining balls, but ensure there is distance between the cookies on the baking tray. Place the tray into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and set aside to cool. Voila!